Hi everyone, this is Leah again. Welcome back to my channel. I would like to show you something different this time. I stumbled this item on Etsy, and because I'm a fan of Rexy from Coach, this thing is very interesting to me, and I think is kind of more attractive than the Rexy from Coach, in my opinion, because she made to order. So if you're interested, I will put her link on from the Etsy store at the end, and also in the description of this video. Please take a look. And it came with this. It's all the way from China, by the way, if you are wondering. Come with a very nice gift box, and it looks like she prepared it in preparation for the holiday, because that's the tag that she put over there. Let's open this up. Here we go. Comes with this thank you note. So her store name is called Spectrum Lab, and she put the receipt over here and the thank you card over here. Very nice. I will read it later. So it comes like this. Let's open it up. Let's see. I'm so excited, waiting for this to come. Okay, have to untangle this little shredded paper. There you go. Look at that Rexy in hologram. The color on one side is different from the other side, and she did tell me that the color might differ from what she put on the Etsy website or store, because this is handmade to order. There is one left over there, but she can make it again if you are interested. And this is a pretty big Rexy. Let's take a look. Let's do the measurement. It is about almost 8 inches, 7 to 8 inches from the head through the tail. And this is made of leather. So it's not a hard leather like Coach does with the Rexy. This is actually pretty malleable leather. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Like the color on every section of the body is different. She is very patient making this. And look at the one that hang over here is also in hologram. Now I saw one of this in glow in the dark, and I'm very tempted to get that. So let's see. It's not cheap. This one I believe is $99 plus tax. The shipping is free, and the glow in the dark is more expensive, a little bit more expensive. But I'll wait for a while until I get that, because kind of spend too much for this holiday season. So I'm going to take a picture of this and put it as the cover picture of this video, and let's see what you think. Please do comment, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be happy to answer. Do not forget to give like and to subscribe. Thank you so much everyone and happy holiday.